Starting around 30 September 2023, Velo especially is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.35% in truly most recent 60 minutes, or so they generally basically thought. Velo generally for the most part has a by and large all-out market cap of $18,177,495, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,817,479, or so they in every practical sense thought. This explicitly makes Velo actually essentially positioning at 599 in the cryptographic money market in a very enormous manner in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo sort of basically be certainly genuinely worth in 2023, or so they in every practical sense thought. Is Velo a very wise speculation? Will Velo cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking high in an unpretentious manner? These generally are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in an unpretentious manner. Velo value expectation 2023, as per the Velo estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost quite is supposed to sort of cross an entirely all goals and purposes, normal value level of $0.003, the normal pretty least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year, ought to be $0.003, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Besides, Velo can truly generally arrive at a very most extreme value level of $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. Velo value estimate August 2023. The in every practical sense, normal cost of Velo could go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023. Truly further appearance how explicitly is Velo a genuinely wise venture or sort of lovely worth purchasing in 2023 in an entirely Velo could sort of exchange around a fundamentally sort of greatest worth of $0.003 with the reasonably truly least expected cost of $0.00582, which especially is genuinely huge, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Velo value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo generally in a real sense is estimated to really all things considered be at around an essentially least worth of $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. The Velo value worth can basically arrive at a quite limit of $0.003, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.00372 in United States dollars, or so they especially certainly thought in an unobtrusive manner. Velo value figure October 2023. The sort of extremely normal cost of Velo could basically go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023, amazingly, which is very huge. Velo could basically generally be exchanging around an actually quite greatest worth of $0.003, with the for the most part extremely least expected cost of $0.003 in a quite huge manner. Velo value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the especially genuinely most extreme cost for Velo could basically in a real sense stretch around $0.003 in a sort of huge manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 in every practical sense is $0.003, with a truly normal cost of $0.0247223, really in opposition to mainstream thinking, which is genuinely critical. Velo value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the greatest cost for Velo could generally by and large stretch around $0.003, so Velo value conjecture October 2023. The especially normal cost of Velo could especially certainly go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023, or so they fundamentally thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 by and large is $0.003, with an especially normal cost of $0.0014723 in every practical sense, significant way. Velo truly kind of past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto basically really has been in every practical sense diminished by 0.54% in its kind of certainly current worth, which sort of is genuinely critical. Assuming we certainly analyze the in every practical sense, most certainly current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in every way that really matters basically is additionally down, which generally by and large is genuinely critical. Velo is confronting a sort of genuinely tough time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins, or so they really thought. The Velo in a real sense is down to nearly 5.83% in the very most recent 7 days, or so they basically thought. The coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for extremely past by and large couple of days. The coin could very the most part have pretty sort major areas of strength for of yet. We don't explicitly imagine that it would a beneficial resource in kind of by and large present moment, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge as opposed to mainstream thinking. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo certainly diminished by 61.587%, killing an incredible pretty normal amount of $0.004 from its really current worth in an unpretentious manner, or so they explicitly thought. This unexpected down generally by and large implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be in every practical sense great all things considered, especially purchase a potential open door for exceptionally fast speculation, or so they explicitly thought, which sort of is very critical. The 90 days cost change especially truly is near 13.61%, and the cost really circled from a very least truly normal cost of $0.003 to fundamentally greatest exceptionally sort of normal cost of $0.003 in the by and large, especially beyond 90 days, or so they sort of explicitly thought incredibly. In sort of most recent 4 months Velo especially explicitly has shown a developing pattern in a significant manner. In this manner, we really imagine that comparative pieces of the market sort of were very famous at that period in a kind of significant manner, which essentially is genuinely huge. As per the kind of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo especially sort of is expanded from 4 months in a very significant manner. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost, which basically in a real sense is genuinely huge. The coin explicitly in a real sense is up by 13.28%, with the especially most extreme genuinely normal cost of the coin especially was around $0.002, and the genuinely least really normal cost of in every practical sense was around $0.002 in by and large beyond 4 months, or so they essentially thought. Velo Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will sort of basically be Velo worth in 2023, which by and large generally is very critical. The Velo cost essentially is determined to in a real sense arrive at an especially most extreme degree of $0.003, with really least cost of $0.003 toward the finish of 2023. Does Velo explicitly have a future, which generally is genuinely huge? As far as value, Velo essentially has a remarkable by and large fundamentally potential to especially really arrive at new levels, so in the event that